Welcome, dear viewers, to an exciting demonstration of a remarkable AI tool. Today, we are about to unveil a groundbreaking AI tool that can dynamically transform any part of your video or image according to your desired text. But before we dive into it, let us take a glimpse at some images that have been effortlessly modified in mere seconds. Introducing Adobe Firefly, a cutting-edge, free, and user-friendly online tool. All you need to do is open it in your browser, sign in with your email or Google account, and you're ready to go. Simply select the Generative Fills option. Within this feature, you'll find the Upload Image option. Upload the image you wish to modify. As you navigate through the interface, you'll notice options such as Insert, Remove, and Pan. Utilize the Remove feature to eradicate the element you want to alter, and then input your desired text. Within seconds, witness the astonishing transformation. The color, contrast, and lighting seamlessly adapt to the image. Furthermore, there are numerous customization options for you to choose from. Additionally, in the settings, there are more options available, allowing you to adjust the brush size and more. You even have the ability to remove the existing background and generate a new one that aligns with your preferences, as demonstrated on the screen. Feel free to experiment until you achieve your desired outcome. Join me as we explore these features together. Let us now experiment with a few more images. there we go. I trust you found this tutorial insightful and enjoyable. I encourage you to give it a try and share your thoughts in the comments below. Keep delving into new AI tools and continue to create awe-inspiring content. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing if you haven't already. Stay tuned for our next thrilling video. Until then, happy creating and exploring the world of AI-powered creativity.